Namaste children. Welcome to our today's English class. Today we are going to practice writing, speaking and pronunciation. So we are going to practice how to write a sentence in a correct form and how to speak a sentence in a correct form. Okay children, let's begin. What they have given: Shanti is writing a letter to her friend Mala to tell her about her day at school. Help her complete the letter. Write the letter in your notebook. What we are going to do? We are going to help Shanti to write a letter to her friend Mala. Okay, they have given the address on the top. You can also write your address or you can copy this address also. Next, write the date given, or you can also write the today's date. After that, we are going to start. Dear Mala, how are you? We are going to write Dear Mala, how are you? Because when we start writing the letter, we should ask how are you? I am fine. We can also frame a sentence using the hints given. Hope, doing well. They have given some hints, right? So using that word, we can frame a sentence like hope you are doing good, hope you are well. Likewise, we can frame a sentence. After that, I am fine here. Next word we are going to do, I had good day at school. We are going to explain what has happened in the school. Next, but the day did not start so well. What happened to Mala? She was very sad in the beginning, right? So she is writing that the day did not start so well. After that, they have given some hint like sad, 4 front teeth fall off, not want anyone to know, felt very shy. They have given these hints. Using these hints, we are going to frame a sentence. How we are going to frame a sentence? I was very sad because my 4 front teeth was fall off. I don't want to share this to anyone, or I don't want anyone to know about this because I feel or I felt very shy. Like this, you can frame a sentence. After this, then a funny thing happened. What happened in the class? His friend Arun made her to smile, right? So for this, they have given some hints like Arun tripped, big green frog, my desk. They are given these hints. What happened? Arun, what did he do? He just took the green frog from his bag and he just threw that in the Shanti's desk, right? So she is mentioning that in this sentence. What happened? She is going to write that Arun has thrown the green frog to his desk. After seeing that, she began to laugh. So after seeing that, I started laughing. The whole class laughed too. Everyone said I look cute. After seeing the Shanti's mouth, they realized that her front teeth is missing, and that is why she was sad whole day. And after that, she is asking her to reply how her class was going and how she enjoyed in her classroom, or how she enjoyed the day. Your loving friend Shanti. Likewise, you have to write a letter, children. Do you understand this, children? Okay, next we are going to practice speaking. What they have given: she looks so sad, I should make her smile. Here, what they have used, I should make her smile, because they are going to do a good thing. So they are using the word should. If they are going to do something wrong, for that they should use should not. They have given some example below. We use should to talk about what is good or correct for us to do. We use should not to talk about what is not good or correct for us to do. Here what they are telling, we should use the word should in the positive place, and we should use should not in the negative place. Okay, children? Now we are going to practice that. What is the topic given? Work in pair. Look at the picture and tell each other what you should do to be healthy. You use should or should not in your sentence. Okay, let's start. What are the pictures given? What is the first one? One boy is waking up. For that, how we will frame a sentence? We should get up early in the morning. So for this sentence, we are using should because that is the good thing. So we are using the word should. What is the second one? The boy is brushing. So for this, how we will frame the sentence? We should brush our teeth daily. For this also, we are using the word should. Next, what is the picture? The two children are eating. Did they wash their hand before eating? No. So we are going to use the word should not. We should not eat without washing our hand. So for this sentence, we are using should not because that is not a correct thing. So we are using should not. What is the fourth picture? That boy is walking. We should walk regularly. So this is the positive work. So we are using should for this sentence. Next one, that girl is sitting near the TV. Is that a correct thing? No, we should not sit near the TV. So we should not sit or we should not watch TV by sitting closely. So next, what is the sixth one? That boy is taking bath. We should take bath regularly. Now do you understand how to add should and should not for the sentence? Okay. Shall we move on to the next topic? What is the next topic? Pronunciation. They have given some word. Let's see how to pronounce these words. They have given two headings. Listen and repeat. Okay, what is the first one? Blue. Repeat after me, children. Blue. What is the second word? Black. Black. Bloom. Balsam. Blush. Belt. Table. Cable. Repeat after me. Blue. Black. Bloom. Balsam. Blush. Belt. Table and cable. So what they have given? What is the next thing? Listen and repeat. A blue bus. A block of wood. A blind mouse. A blank page. Likewise, you also pronounce the word, children's. Now we are going to do the practice work. What is the topic? Complete this sentence with the correct feeling word from the box. We have done this before. Do you remember this? They have given some options: sorry, bored, calm, worried, shy, surprised. Using these words, complete the sentence which is given below. Write the suitable answer. And next one, spellings. Circle the silent letter in the word. We also done this before. What are the words given? Kneel, rap, wrote, climb, know, often, knowledge, listen, night and lamp. In this word, find out the silent word. After that, we are going to write a letter. We have already practiced how to write a letter. Here what they have given, have just come home from exciting class picnic. Write a letter describing the fun you had to a friend who live in another city. First of all, what we are going to write? We are going to write the address. Next, what they have given? Dear, your friend name. You have to write the name for whom we are going to write the letter. I miss you very much. Here they have given the hints. Using that hints, frame a sentence and write the letter and send it children's. Hope you have understand everything. All the best. Thank you children's.